SEBI's 1100 crores red alert. The question is your digital gold like a ticking time bomb? If you are among the millions buying digital gold on popular apps like your PhonePe, Paytm or Grow, pause immediately. The market regulator SEBI has issued a stark warning couple of weeks back, revealing that a staggering 1100 crores of public money is parked in unregulated digital gold products. SEBI has made it clear it does not regulate or monitor these platforms. Now, to keep in a simple layman language, this means if the platform you use faces issues, shutdowns, or it completely vanish away, you have absolutely no recourse with SEBI. Even Ganesh Komma of Zerodha highlighted this as a timely reminder from the regulator that your investment could be at a serious risk. Now, the hidden trap you never see is these things. These platforms quietly erode your money. When you buy, you often pay a 3% extra over the actual gold price. And this extra 3% GST impacts your buying price as well. And what you need to do, instead of entering into these digital gold products, it's better you be in a normal investment, and this massive hidden cost makes your genuine profit nearly impossible. The safe, regulated path to gold investment you need to follow, because your gold deserves the security of regulation. Opt for these SEBI and RBI approved avenues and look at electronic gold receipts, EGR. These are actually electronic receipts representing physical gold stored in SEBI registered vaults. They are traded on the stock exchanges and treated as like your normal securities, offering transparency and a regulated framework for custody and delivery. You can find more details on the SEBI website or through a depository participant like CDSL. And the most simplest avenue to invest is your gold exchange traded funds. It can be like your gold ETFs offered by mutual funds, and these funds invest in physical gold, typically 99.5% purity or even higher, and their units are traded on stock exchanges as well. They are regulated by SEBI and backed by a robust audit system. We also earlier had sovereign gold bonds. These are government securities issued by the Reserve Bank of India on behalf of the Government of India. And right now, there are no fresh issue of SGBs, and normally these are denominated in grams of gold and offer an annual interest payment along with the sovereign backing. These options offer a fair pricing, no hidden cost, and most importantly, regulatory protection for your investment is important. The bottom line, don't let convenience compromise your security. Your goal is to own gold, not just a digital promise from an unregulated entity. Shift your investments to regulated channels to ensure your wealth is protected. And when we have simple instruments like an ETF or gold Bs or even gold related mutual funds, opt for them which are actually regulated. And if you want more information like this, and if you want me to do on any other commodity or any other metal a detailed explanation, I want you to type in the comments what is the topic I should be covering in the next video.